Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a rice cooker that promises not just perfectly cooked rice, but a revolution in your kitchen. We're talking about the CUCKOO high-pressure rice cooker, specifically the CRP-BHSS0609F model, a 6-cup uncooked, 12-cup cooked unit featuring induction heating and a host of advanced features. Let's start with what makes this CUCKOO stand out from the crowd. The most significant aspect is its high-pressure cooking capability combined with induction heating technology. This isn't your grandmother's stovetop pot. Induction heating means the entire inner pot is heated uniformly and efficiently, which translates to faster cooking times and, more importantly, more consistent results. The high-pressure system is designed to break down the rice grains more effectively, infusing them with moisture and creating that ideal fluffy texture we all crave. This is especially beneficial for tougher grains like brown rice or even for dishes like porridge that require thorough cooking and softening. The versatility of this rice cooker is truly impressive. It boasts 16 distinct menu options. This goes far beyond just white and brown rice. You'll find modes for porridge, steaming, and even a general pressure cooking function. This opens up a world of culinary possibilities right on your countertop. Imagine steaming vegetables or dumplings while your rice is cooking, or preparing a hearty pot of congee with minimal effort. The steam plate, included in the accessories, is perfect for these steaming applications. Capacity is another strong suit. With a 12-cup cooked capacity, this cooker is well suited for families or for entertaining. Whether you're hosting a small dinner party or preparing meals for the week, it can handle the volume without breaking a sweat. This mid to large capacity makes it a practical choice for many households. One of the most intriguing features is the My Mode function. This gives you a level of control that you rarely find in rice cookers. You can actually adjust the temperature settings to fine-tune the flavor and texture of your rice. This is a game changer for rice aficionados who want to experiment and achieve specific results, like a slightly crisper bottom or a chewier texture. It allows you to personalize your rice cooking experience, catering to individual preferences. The convenience factor is further amplified by the built-in voice guide. This is particularly helpful when you're new to the cooker or if you're multitasking in the kitchen. It can announce the cooking status, selected menus, and even provide alerts, guiding you through the process without you having to constantly check the display. Now, let's talk about the practicalities. The design is sleek and modern in its white finish, and it comes with all the essential accessories you'll need to get started. You get a product manual, a rice spatula that's designed not to scratch the inner pot, a measuring cup for accurate rice and water ratios, the aforementioned steam plate, and a cleaning pin to keep the steam vent clear. All these elements contribute to a user-friendly experience right out of the box. Of course, no product is perfect, and there are a few things to consider. High-pressure induction heating rice cookers, by their nature, tend to be more expensive than basic models. The advanced technology comes with a premium price tag. Also, while the voice guide is a nice addition, some users might find it intrusive or prefer a more minimalist interface. And while 16 menus are great, mastering them all will take a bit of practice and exploration. The complexity of the My Mode feature, while powerful, might also be a learning curve for those who just want to press a button and get rice. In conclusion, the CUCKOO high-pressure rice cooker CRP-BHSS0609F is a powerhouse of culinary innovation. It's not just a rice cooker, it's a versatile cooking appliance that leverages advanced technology to deliver exceptional results. If you're serious about your rice, enjoy experimenting with different textures and flavors, or need a reliable cooker that can handle a good volume of food, this CUCKOO model is definitely worth considering. It offers precision, versatility, and the promise of perfectly cooked rice every single time, and much more. Link in the description.